With all of the retirement parties that Phil Nicoletti had, well, it turns out he's actually not done racing. At least not in Canada. He is done in US, but as of coming out today, he's not retired. He will be racing in Canada in 2025 for the WLTN Kawasaki race team. And this is kind of cool. I mean, obviously, he's done over here. Filthy Phil had his big send off, and now we can go race things for fun. I'm assuming you don't really expect to go and race and win a championship, but maybe it's a different country, different series. Motocross instead of supercross. Who knows? He could go up there and he could absolutely crush it. I mean, look how well Dean Wilson has done since his quote unquote retirement, going over to arena cross and just dominating. And this could be the thing. I mean, he could go up there and just have an absolute crushing year. The first round takes place June 25th in Calgary. And this is going to bring a lot of exposure to the series, people watching the series just because they're fans of his, or at least following it. Maybe not watching every round, but you're going to get people who would never have watched this in general or never had the eyes on it to pay attention. And it's only a good thing. I mean, for him, obviously, it's a decision that he made, he wanted to do. This is definitely not something anyone is forcing on him. So feels like he can probably go up there and do well, and that it's a a good choice for him, good team, or he just wants to do it. And I'm all for it, man. These retirements, if you can go and have some fun in different rounds and still do well, make some money, and possibly win, why not? But comments down below. You guys tell me. Are you gonna watch it because of this? Are you gonna go pay attention to it because it's Phil Nicoletti? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helped me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.